Say hey.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hey, guys, it's me, Freckle Girl, and I'm here with my cousin, AJ, and her little puppy, too. What's her name again?
Oh, my God, Lacey.
Lacey. And so today, and her cat just ran. And today what we're going to be doing is that we made a little slime. You see that little dot, blue dot right there? That's the slime we made. And here, hold on. And so it looks not like slime, but I'm pretty sure I'm telling y'all it's slime. So what we made is we put blue Elmer's glue, and we put toothpaste, and then we froze it for like how long?
Probably like an hour.
An hour. And so it's like this.
That consistency of goo.
Consistency.
Oh, ooh, okay. Ow.
See? Like this. Okay. That's it. And now, what we do is outfit of the day. And here we go. Stand up. Can you see yourself?
Sit down a little bit. Right there.
This is her outfit.
And then this is...
No, wait.
What?
It's chevron, black, and pink. And it's really cute. She has her hair down with a little bit of mascara and blush.
I don't have blush on. Tell me.
Down. Closer. Perfect. Down. 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 Perfect. This is my outfit. A giraffe black shirt with jeans and at the back.
Who wants to see your boobs?
And tell me my makeup.
You have blush, lip gloss on, and that's it.
And Eo's under the blush. And then the doggy, she has
Nothing.
her brown and gray black back,
It's not gray.
her brown and black, and then
It's
her
not black.
white tummy.
It's brown.
White tummy, her face, and then her booty has tail on it.
Of course it has the tail on it.
And that's pretty much it. Bye, guys.